Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your HMA account and the subscription key sent to your email. Copy it or keep it visible. Once done, open the HMA app and sign in with your account credentials. The app will prompt for the key when required. Make sure the device OS is updated and the app has network permissions so key validation can succeed. This prevents certificate or permission errors later and gets you straight into the connection flow without interruptions. You paste the subscription key into HMA's activation field and submit. It's case-sensitive, so double-check characters. After activation, select the server type. Use automatic for best speed, choose nearest for lower latency, or pick a country for geo-specific access. Once connected, enable the kill switch so your traffic stops if VPN drops, and configure split tunneling to exclude local apps. These choices balance privacy and performance. You verify the connection by checking your public IP and testing services to confirm the VPN is working. If the IP reflects the chosen country, you're done. If activation or connection fails, sign out and sign back in, re-enter the key, then restart the app or the device. This clears common session issues. Make sure local firewalls or router DNS settings aren't blocking HMA. If problems persist, note any error codes and contact HMA support with that info for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.